You decide to quit using your credit card and want to pay off the balance of $8,800 in 5 years. Your interest rate is 21.25% compounded monthly. What will your monthly payments be? We are paying them monthly, all right? So go ahead, take a moment, try to plug all these things in, maybe pause. This is pretty similar to our last situation, at least for the beginning here. We are looking for the monthly payments. All right. I'm going to go ahead and continue on. So hopefully you did try to pause it and attempt it on your own. We had a loan amount, a credit card bill of $8,800. We wanted to pay it off in 5 years with monthly payments. We had a rate of 0.2125, right? 2 places over on that decimal to get the decimal version of the percentage. Sorry, 2 places over on the percentage to get the decimal version. So our monthly payments would need to be 8,800 times R over K, 0.2125 over 12, divided by 1 minus 1 plus 0.2125 over 12 to the negative NK power. That's -5 times 12 power. When I put this into my scientific calculator, which again, you should be practicing, you should get 239.3087-ish. All right, so that is a monthly payment of $239.31. We round that 0 up because there is an 8 that follows. That is 5 or above, so we round that 0 up. How much interest do you pay? Well, if I want to find the interest I pay, I need to see how much I actually paid overall, and then the amount of the loan that we were paying off. All right, effectively seeing kind of, was this really worth it? How much we took as a loan as opposed to how much we ended up paying. So kind of a multi-part here. I need to see what I deposited, deposit amount. That's going to be the $239.31, but I didn't just do that once. This is an overall deposit amount. So let's add that word in. Overall deposit. This amount I paid 12 times for 1 year, because I did it monthly. And I did that for how many years? I did that for 5 years. So actually the amount that I ended up paying was $14,358.60, right? The loan itself was $8,800. So I paid way more. And to know the exact amount that I paid more, we look at the difference between what I paid and the loan that I actually took out. So the interest is that difference. The interest is the amount that you paid minus the amount the loan was actually worth, which is going to be $5,558.60. As long as I put that in my notes correctly. By the way, if there's ever something wrong in these videos, it happens. I make mistakes. I make mistakes when I'm writing up my notes beforehand. Obviously, you guys aren't in the classroom with me if you're watching these, or maybe you are, and these are after the fact kind of extra thing. But just let me know if you see a mistake somewhere so that I can try to fix it, or at least leave a comment or something to let everyone know that there's a mistake there. Anything is always appreciated with those.